Good day you all, my name is Flip. Welcome to the Rustic Way where we do affordable woodworking. Please subscribe and like the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for new videos. Hope you like it. Welcome back. Today we're going to do rattering. We're going to ratter the edges of the table top and the bottom frame and the support of the tabletop. This is the finished product on the front side. All that I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the router to make a nice border here and that it's not so square. And this is the back side. I'm going to use the router here to round these corners here as well, so that there's no splinters that's going to be in the kids' legs. And then this is going up here and the other one there and that one here and here. I've sanded these ones as well. So what I need to do now is I've decided I'm going to round this as well here a bit. All four of them, so that they are nice and round and doesn't hurt the kids' legs under the table. Now we're going to router the edges of the table. I've done with the router the rounding of this, all of these, as well as these. It looks quite nice. I think it will do a lot for the kids. So let me just put on my mask again. Let's see. The only thing left to do now is little elbow grease. Just pinch it off with smooth sandpaper. This is just for the finishing touch. think everything is done and finished. Anything left now is to assemble everything. We'll do it just now. Just to show you how I'm getting this piece out of here. I've marked them there and I've marked the depth. So now I'm taking my chisel. All I'm doing is on this side, I just give it a little whack. You see it's already lift up. On this side. Then all I'm doing is I'm just smoothing it a bit. Now I'm going to fit. Let me assemble the bottom part. What I will do is I've marked the board again on the bottom. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some glue on here. Not too much, not too little. Then I'm going to put this piece on here. On the spot. What I'm going to do just to keep it in position for me, I'm going to take this clamp. Tighten it there. Take this one. This. Now we should be able to turn it over without it moving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 32 millimeters on this, on the ends. The rest is the 40 millimeter panel pins. In the next video, part 7, we're going to assemble the table and then varnish it, and hopefully this will be the last part for the table.